Put a one in the chat if you guys can hear me. I know Zoom can. I'm just asking YouTube. I know you guys can on Zoom. What's up? What's up? Welcome, 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 welcome. What's up? I'm gonna mute all you guys, but you can unmute yourself if you would like to. Potentially, we'll see how that goes. One. All right, cool. Let's get it. All right, let's get right into it. We don't got time to play no fucking games today. Morning, 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 people. Good morning. God bless. Good luck to you all. All right, beautiful. Let's get it. So, US 30, 4 hour time frame. See what we got going on. Oh no, was I teaching class? Damn, look at this, bro. That's kind of a trip. Look at all the trades. Very cool. Okay,
And
no,
I think if you want replay, it says on top replay, so it might be.
not anymore. We're out. We're out of it. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So 4 hour time frame, kind of same shit, bro. Let's keep it a buck here. This area can be all this entire area is this support. Yet again, we've came all the way down to the bottom of this range, and we're just coming to the top end of this range. So just like when we tapped up into here, we simply expect price to go from one resistance to the next support, and then we go to lower time frames to have these little minor support resistance levels to push our way down to that area, and then we add in the time aspect of session open to actually execute based off of these biases. No fucking different today. Today, wow, is this a trend line for me? 1 second. Yeah, wow, sheesh. It's quite the trend line here. So today, now that we're tapping into this 4 hour support, we simply just expect price to continue up to 4 hour resistance. That's all we're doing here. So we go to 30-minute time frame and try to mark out some type of area of rejection that we could potentially play off of. All I see is this trend line so far. That's all the way on hourly time frame, so it's pretty high up. But we've had multiple reactions. We got our first reaction here, second reaction here, third reaction here, fourth reaction here, and now our fifth time revisiting this area. And obviously, every time we visit this area, fat fucking pushes, bro. 700 points this time, 700 points the time before that, 800 points the time before that, and 600 points the time before. I mean, mega, mega, mega moves. So if we start to break above this area, we can potentially expect the same. Or if we start to reject, potentially expect the same. 5 to 700 point move. Still in replay. No, you tripping, bro. Come on now. All right, so going down to 5 minute time frame, what we got going on? London highs are way the hell over here. Let me just take this shit off real quick. It's in my way, bro. Okay, London highs are sitting all the way over here. And ever since we broke out of London highs, we've just been fucking sending it, bro. Don't want to get
Still
into
in replay.
what?
Still in replay mode.
Bro, I'm on 620. Are you guys seeing something different than me? I'm not on
Click
replay
the
mode.
X button right. It might be.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We're still
Oh,
with current time. Yeah,
right.
620. The price is moving. We're definitely not in replay mode. Even though it says it up there, we're definitely not. Look at your own chart. Click the X button. I'm not clicking the X button, bro. All right, anyways, I'll click the X button. We're out of replay mode. So I'm not going to get in at the end of this move. We have to have some type of retracement form, bro. Even if it's two candle structure, I don't mind with this continuation up. We don't call it tops to the market, but damn sure not about to just buy just because we're sending it. We need some type of structure. So hopefully it forms here, for that fifth tap, and then once we break above, great. And then as far as sales, bro, with it being so bullish, let's keep it a buck here. I mean, we just need hella newfound structure to form. We need to start to break below some type of area support, which is the only one we have here. Create a newfound area support, and then I would feel comfortable taking the break against this major fucking push upwards. But this is honestly looking very ugly, bro. Not gonna lie. Honestly, looking very ugly. Going to Nyse, 4 hour time frame, same thing. We've just been pretty much sitting in between like this area here, bro. And obviously this area is sitting down here. This 4 hour resistance is not more so even playing with. To John, or if you're in, there's John in here. John. Okay. Yeah, John. So we've had multiple reactions from this area, bro. I mean, but it's just, we're just, look at I'm probably just going to move this up here to being this entire fat fucking area of rejection. And this is kind of a tough. I really like them to be extremely clean levels of rejection when we put this area. And obviously, so far, it's just these three major taps. That's it. First push away, over 1,000 points. Second push away, over 3,000 points. Third push away so far has only been like 600. Okay. Going to 5-minute time frame though, we simply just expect price to go from one resistance to the next support. But when we go to lower time frames, like support is supporting, bro. We've had a rejection from this area multiple times. Now that we've broken above it and came back to this area, it's holding and yet holding again. And now here we are, and honestly, just again, the middle of this fucking range and potentially getting a third trend line reaction as we speak right now. Kind of same exact thing as US 30. So as US 30, bro, we need some type of rejection here. You know, and if price just continues on, it'll just be a no trade day. We'll sit here for 30 minutes. We'll see what the hell happens. And if that's that, then cool, moving on. You know, as far as shorts, to short this momentum, we have to see some type of bearish momentum start to come in off of some type of structure. The only structure we currently have is this trend line. We've already broken above it. So like shit, bro, kind of sitting on our hands here. Let's keep it a buck. But yeah, that's all we got. We got 6 minutes until session opens, so I'm going to go ahead and split screen. We're going to put NAS 100 on the left-hand side, Dow Jones on the right-hand side, and watch this fucking thing send. I mean, wow, bro, this is actually really, really high up. What's up? How's everybody doing? Y'all chilling? Who put that up? Salva Beast. Thank you for putting that up, Salva. Appreciate you, bro. What's up, Matt? What's up, Callie? How you guys doing?
Good, mate. How are you?
I'm chilling, bro. I got a lot of friends coming over to my house this evening, so I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't seen them in a minute.
Do they have blue hair as well?
Not yet, but they won't be leaving this house without blue hair, that's for sure. Yeah, we'll get them there. First, I got to get a haircut and stop looking like a fucking Hispanic out here, bro. I'm really, really nervous to pop outside lately. I'm looking a little out of character. Sell me the market, Emmett. Sell me the market, Emmett. What do you mean, bro? Explain yourself, pal. We chilling, bro. I'm chilling too. What's up, Julian? How you doing, bro? Good to see you over here. It's been a little bit. It's crazy. Even the market's just sending it like this. We're still going to hit. It's a beautiful day. Supporting Team Brazil. Kind of just look like a Brazilian. Yeah, I mean, bro, you can play the game. Everybody likes to play the Emma game. So pick any type of ethnicity or culture, apply it to me, and boom, I'm it. You know, I really can fit into all of the fucking categories. Like, sell me the pen, but not the pen. Yeah, no, I'm good, brother. Yeah, you can sell yourself the market for sure. Yeah, I'm good. I know that I want to buy this market up, but I need some type of retracement, and in order to sell, it's gonna take some time. You know, like we have to get some kickback now for sure. Good afternoon. What's up, B Legacy? How you doing, fam? Any crazy plans for this weekend? I'm like dying for my piece to come in, bro. Oh, also, is anybody going to Orlando on Wednesday? Luca's not going. Luca's girl's not going. So now my girl doesn't want to go. And I'm like, man, maybe we could do our own shit. Next hair color? I was thinking about going like a dark brown or like a black or a, you know, normal adult hairstyle type of color is what I was thinking. But if I decide not to do that, oh damn, it's kind of making my hat blue. If I decide not to do that, it's gonna be green, bro. I have to accomplish green. Like we set out to make my hair fucking green, and I've done a terrible job. Although I figured out a fix. If I turn off all the lights and shit and make all my lights yellow, it's actually kind of fire. Actually looks pretty great. I was planning it, but hard to escape the family. Oh, you gotta get you a grandma, bro. That's what I would have. That's what my brother has. My brother can do whatever he wants, bro. He could pawn A nanny, yeah. You could pawn the kid off on the grandma, my mom, and my mom's down, like to be pawned off on for forever. Yeah, wow, look at this, bro. Jesus. Get ready because as soon as we tap in this ultimate high sitting, it's at 42,402.62. 42,402.62. Remember, mentorship students, we were talking about this the other day. I don't know why it's still not marked up here. As soon as we hit this level, 42,402.62, sell the market right away for guaranteed profits immediately. 42,402.62. 42,402.62. Very serious level. See how we're already starting to reject before we get up to that level? Wow. Super Saiyan, yeah. 42,402.62. I tried the grandma, but then she ended up staying for like 10 months. Yeah, bro. That's some my mom shit so hard. My mom just wants to live in the shed on our property way in the back just so she could be here and shit. 42,402.62. If you guys missed 42,402.62, bro. If you know, you know. It's crazy. Wow, look at the reaction right before we get up to 42,402.62. That's crazy. That's my mom too. Yeah, that's all moms, bro. Everybody has a passion in life. Mine is to create a cult. Some people is to become rich. Mom's is just to become a grandma, bro. Like my mom's dream is fulfilled. She just wanted to be a grandma. Not for me. I mean, halfway fulfilled. It won't be happening with me. Are you in here, bro? Uh, 1 second. The animals want food. Wow, look at that reaction. 42, 402, 62. Nice push. Yeah, so now that we're starting to get this break below these lows, this will be it, bro. We're getting the reaction from this trend line. If it's going to buy higher, it'll be from this point. If we fail, I'm not going to sell off the market from this point unless we get some type of newfound. I'll show you guys exactly what I need. Okay, we're pushing higher. We're pushing higher. We're pushing higher. And then we start to break below lows. And then we come all the way up to 42,402.62. And then bam, smash down. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm just kidding. If we start to break above these highs, let's get into these buys, yeah. We will be getting into buys at 42,402.62. 42,402.62. Perfect. All jokes aside, please do not sell off this market at the absolute top. That's crazy. I don't think he is, Loki. You don't think I am what? ATR is reading 35. Once we get up to this entry, median to price is pretty fucking far, So if we get an impulsive candle that starts to break above these highs here now and get us into this entry, it's not going to be, median to price is not going to be here, bro. So we probably just should have a set stop loss, I'm probably not going to open it up on a position like this. Who here, let's see what the annotation you guys have with this shit. Who here thinks Friday is a bad day to trade?
Not for volume. There's often quite a lot of volume on Fridays. And as volume traders, that's what you want.
Absolutely, agreed. Fridays are great, absolutely agreed. King says, not me. Yeah. Okay. I was just wondering. Well, that's everybody in Zoom though. What about you guys on the YouTube? On the tube? If you know what the fuck you doing. Yeah, more so like I understand the principle behind not trading Fridays. You know, a lot of times people are removing them, swing traders removing themselves, position traders removing themselves from their weekly trades, their weekly swings. But just as the excitement of participating and getting into the market brings a lot of volume, which usually happens during session open and stuff as well. Removing yourself from the market brings a lot of volatility and volume as well. It's still participating in the market, you know, and that's why Power Hour, the mechanics behind Power, is the same fucking thing as trading on Friday. People are removing themselves from their daily positions, and in return, we get a volume spike right at the end of the day. You know, just got to put mechanics behind what we're doing here. But I think Friday is fine. It's a good day to trade. I win way more on Monday than Friday. Really? It's crazy, bro. Yeah, I pretty much just win every day, so there's not one over the other. Every day is a win when I get to hang out with you guys. Fridays are good days. Sometimes it's to end the week profitable. Yeah. Yeah, and we're bleeding. You know, look at that. Left predicts the right. Fucking trend line holding yet again. Wow. Maybe we can participate off of as long as slower time frames catch up, but clean, bro. We have structure to play off of now. More often than not, when we get to merge structure with the volume, now we're cooking. Right, since we became Zenjamins, we win every day. That's it, bro. Little Zenjamins. Zenjamins is so cold. That's such a cold. Maybe I should get that tatted today. Zen Jammin'. Get a teardrop, but like of Zenjamin, my logo. It's gangsta shit. It's all about the Zenjamins, baby. Yeah, I know. This would have been nice to see the grab of these lows here with that push. But first 5 minute candles closed. It would have been nice to see them just grab of these lows, bro. Get everybody in. You know human psychology. More often than not, we get a push like this. Everybody and their mama is like, "Oh, we can't continue any higher. Has to retrace from this point," which it potentially could, but going against the grain more often than not, it's very tough. Unless you're selling at 42, 402, 62. $100 bills, Benjamin on the thigh type shit, bro. I'm the captain in this bitch. You feel me? You want to know how I know? Because I got the hat to prove it, bitch. My mom bought this from the other day. Type shit. You planning on enter the buys on US 30? Yeah, bro, for sure. Yeah, type shit. I gotta get like Zen. We gotta redo this. Look what it says. Tarpon Springs is a city out here. We gotta get Zenjamin up there. Wear that on the jet ski. That's why she bought it, bro. She said, I gotta wear that shit every time we hop on the boat or the jet ski. Except I don't usually captain my boat when we drive it because I'm fucked up, so somebody else has to drive it. Yeah, no. Which sucks here too. What a retard. Yo, Joe Farrow 7896. Are you here by chance? JOFEROS 7896. Are you here, bro? Put a one in the chat so we can just send you to the shadow realm real quick, you idiot. Are you here? If not, I'll just leave it alone. Yo, Captain. Yeah, and now we're retesting this area. Like I expect a break below, bro. You know, I'm definitely down to take buys, but I expect some type of break below, newfound structure to form, which would be cool. May potentially take interior structure instead of exterior structure, but We're going to send it. Median of price is catching up a little bit. I know that the stop loss is looking a little bit small. But it's not about the size. It's about what you do with it. Wouldn't be 50-point stop be more appropriate? No, ATR is reading 40, so I'd probably sit at 40, bro. I haven't really been doing much. It's 25 to 40 point range, bro, every day. 25 to 40 point range every day. All right, let's get ready here. This should be quick. Quick win, quick L. We'll get out of here. We win. Moving on. I'm just putting buy steps in, yo. We're getting very, 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 very close. 42, 402, 62. How far do we have to travel to? Oh, man, bro. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? We at least have to travel up to... I can't really see. Let me go to lower time frame. Buy stops are set, so... Oh, yeah, we're cooking, bro. We should be fine. Don't like this new candle opening up with no fucking bottom wick, bro. You guys know how it is. But it's not going to deter me away from taking the trade, but... really would like a bottom wick to form here first, for sure. Okay, thank you. Now we can push. Oh, never mind. We still didn't form it yet. Do you have a fixed stop loss on this one? Yeah, it's gonna be fixed, bro. We're not anywhere to. Let's say that we wanted price to come down and fill in the rest of this gap before continuing higher, bro. We're gonna lose double. We might as well just lose the trade and then get back into it afterwards. You know what I'm saying? Just in my opinion. Let me make sure I'm getting into this here. Very, very, very close. Very, very, very good. And then now if we get a break below these lows, I say fuck it. I'll take these sales at this trend line break. Seriously though, I'm cool with it. We'll try to call the top to this market just as long as it's on our terms and we're actually getting a break of structure. Let's run it. I saw your live stream. Wait, I'm here, Dr. Oscar. I saw your live stream last time drawing some names. Oh, you're one of those people now? Hell yeah. You're a name drawer. Okay, now we're getting that bottom wick. Now let's go. You know, let's cook. I'm like at the... Look how close that was. Fuck. Okay, looks like we're about to get in. Hello? let you know as soon as it taps me in. What do you guys want to see, buys or sells today? What's chat thinking? Oscar wants to see buys. Okay. Hey, Emmett, what's up, bro? The chat says, who here thinks Friday is a bad day to trade? 72% say not me. Okay. I assume that's why you guys are here, eh? All right, let's get it, bro. Let's fucking get it. I am into this trade. Worst thing that can happen is we win. Best thing that can happen is we win. We pretty much just don't lose. Statistically, over a long time, Friday are usually BE days for me. Well, unfortunately, we don't get to BE until we hit pretty much right there. We don't get full TPs until we come up to this high, which, you know, oh, we haven't even came up to this high yet either. So we might expect some kickback once we tag up here at the TP1. We're holding though. We're golden, so we're holding, you know? Do you record all your Zooms? Yeah, every last one of them, bro. Yeah, as soon as we hop off of here, I go to the gym and I just listen to the Zoom again. Because I love the instructor. He's fucking incredible what he does. I'm going to focus this up onto one screen here now. Here's 30. This is our one and only trade of the day. If it wins, great. If it fails, great. We gone. This is the trade. Let me go catch up with Instagram. Hey, Emmett, what's up, bro? Come over here to YouTube. Can you push up a bit of the screen, please? The chat and the Instagram is hiding the candles. Yeah, I'm very, very on purpose, big dog. Come over here to YouTube. Yuck. We're getting a grab of these highs now. So now, if we can re-break highs, we're solid. If we're going to lose, it's going to happen right now, in my opinion. I'm really excited to go home, shower, toke a backwood, and watch the back testing video. Hippie. Is that what I attract, is the hippies? The marijuana smokers?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Grab of highs. You are the hippie teacher. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I miss my long hair, bro. How about you watch the back testing first? Take some notes. I think price will go up and might come down by bouncing off a supply. Way up here, you're talking about, bro? I mean, sure, but we'll be protected by then, so it's all good. I don't care. Yeah, this is looking ugly. I'll let you guys know when I get out. There's gonna be no variable loss. We're not close to the median of price, so it would just be a loss today, you know, like full on loss. Not how I want to end the week, but it's okay. That's okay? That's okay. Like we always say, it would take Jesus now to push this bitch higher at this point. We're sitting at our minute median of price. That's where we're getting that jump now, but it's tough, bro. We got grabbed. Our stop is too tight. We're bouncing though, baby. God. But usually on Fridays, price goes one way. Yeah, bro, up there. Yeah, I agree. That again, that's just everybody removing themselves for their position for the day, or for the week, And so usually you just get that one-sided movement. I almost got hit. I'm still in. I need that flip to go now. Yeah, me too, fam. Me fucking too. We're right at ATR, so we're within range. Like, it is what it is. Oliver said SL hit. We might be right behind you, brother. We might be right behind you. And what sucks too is, like, you know, for anybody who's gonna stay on, oh shit. Anybody who's gonna stay on and take shorts. Any lower here. And I'll be taken out. Oh my god, bro, look at that. Or wait, which camera is it? It's about to hit it right now. I just got tapped out. Sucks to suck. That's it for me. This is what I want to... Damn. It took me out a little bit lower than I wanted to. As far as shorts, so shitty, bro. You guys got the shit end of the stick on YouTube. Might want to come join our fucking lives, bro. Yikes. YouTube kind of got fucked Wednesday and Friday this week. My bad. It is what it is. This is real trading. Am I annoyed about it? Fuck yeah, brother. I wanted to definitely win today at the end of the week. So as far as shorts, I'm getting off of here. If we start to break below these lows, you can absolutely take it. Just understand, this is now an exterior low, and we're extremely fucking bullish. And so I honestly, I would still probably just wait for some type of newfound structure to form here if we want to go against the grain and then take that support break. I don't want to sacrifice any profits for the week, but I've had a decent week, and if I push further into it, I'm just gonna not make shit. I'm done for today. I'm not wait. Oh, I got hit. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to try again. Yeah, for sure. Appreciate all of you guys for showing up. Again, if you want to watch me every single day instead of just every other day, well, you got to join the group, bro. It is what it is. $65 a month to watch me trade live every single day. As far as funded accounts, if you guys want a funded account before next week, hit me, DM me. You can DM me on Discord. You can DM me on YouTube and get your fucking account, man. There's no challenge. I've extracted so myself. I got a 14K payout and a 6K payout within about like 6 weeks from this firm of the same 200K account. I just blew the fucking account 2 days ago trying to go even for a higher payout. And so I bought another account. And so now out of 20K, then I'm 1,500 and another 1,500. So I've made 17K in 6 weeks off of trading funded accounts. And blowing the account, I don't give a fuck. I got 2 major payouts from it, and then we go right back to it. A bit frustrated to have to wait 2 weeks for 3 weeks for the first payout again, but easy money. This is the easiest R to R you guys are ever going to get within trading as far as of right now. I mean, who knows what's in tail for the future, but this is what it is, G. So hit me. I got you covered. If you want, any list of the rules or whatever, just hit me, DM me. I got you covered. W transparency. Oh, come on, bro. There ain't nobody as transparent as me. I know a lot of people say it. Well, it's not true. There's a couple people, but we're transparent, bro. We outside. Does anybody have any questions before I get out of here? Because would love to answer them. But I'm very annoyed. And same thing here too. Let's say that we create some type of double bottom, some type of reaction to this area. Now that's the third time we're reacting from this area. Taking the break below these lows, you probably, lower probability setup. A lot of things are screaming bullish momentum, but that would be the secondary trade that I will 1,000% lead and not be a part. I don't like this ranging movement. Kind of same thing as what was going on Wednesday, and I don't want to be caught up and fuck it up my solid week. I'm on a really good run right now for the past couple months. I'm off. Have a good one all. Yeah, everybody take care. Looks like we have no questions. All right. I'm out. Make sure you DM me. All right, take care, y'all. Goodbye.